What's good, YouTube? Your boy has the only working Delta Executor that will work for both iOS and Android devices. You can add a bunch of scripts to it and just enjoy playing your games on Roblox like never before. So let me show you the magic itself and how we can get the Delta Executor. Okay guys, so I open up a random game so that I can show you what the Delta Executor is all about, and you can see it all right here. Some welcoming pages, little browsers, some consoles in configuration which you can configure on your very own. And the main stuff will be right here, guys, the home page, where you will already have some preloaded scripts that you can use. You can also add them later on from the same website that we will be visiting for Delta Executor. So you can see how the Delta will load up a script for you to play it, and this is how it will look like. So you will have a lot of options. That is up to you to configure how you want to use it and what you want to do with it, guys. Basically, now I'm going to show you how we can get the Delta Executor for both iOS and Android devices. So make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. That being said, open up any browser, but search for scriptsvaults.com, because this is the place to be for anything related to Roblox. Scripts library, you can add a bunch of scripts, blocks, fruits, rivals, fifth script, you name it. And items vault, you have all the best items here for absolutely free, guys. So just give it a go and you won't regret it. So we are here to get the Delta Executor. Let's unlock it by entering our username. So we will tap on the continue button. As we proceed further, we will just need to verify our mobile device with the last steps right here. Boom. After you click on it, you will be redirected to that last step. And it is simple, guys. So you will have two options with it. So the first one will be to complete two apps by downloading them from the official App Store, Google Play Store. So not only download them, but also do what it says from you in the description. Install plus play 3 games for 5 minutes. It will be the same stuff for misplay and for free cash. Or you can just install plus download an additional app with a cash cow. Or you will have a much faster alternative, guys, by completing by completing 2 questionnaires. So just open up a questionnaire, answer those questions, complete them 2 in total, and that is a faster way on how you can get the Delta Executor and complete this process. That is all, guys. I hope everything was useful. If you have further questions, drop them in the comment section. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.